The year is 2019. Our nation is bitterly divided. Half the population has taken one side, which they defend wholeheartedly. The other half is just as loyal in defending theirs. Politicians, news anchors, and good Samaritans alike have tried to mend the divide, but the national discord and civil unrest rages on. Folks, we're talking, of course, about the great chicken debate of 2019. Who makes a better sandwich, Popeyes or Chick-fil-A? Five Gem employees, none of whom have ever tried Popeyes or Chick-fil-A, will be subject to a blind taste test. Completely unbiased and with nothing but their taste buds guiding them, they will try both the Popeyes chicken sandwich and the Chick-fil-A sandwich and make their determination. Let's go.
Someone help me. That one's good. That's Chick-fil-A.
I think it tastes like garbage.
Wow, they're hard.
Like a 4.
They're pretty good. I give that like a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Oh boy. That's definitely Popeyes. It's not very good.
That one's not very good. That's Popeyes.
This one is better. Ew.
That one's pretty good too.
Oh, okay, my lips are on fire. Hold on, it's like creeping up. I don't want to take another bite.
And the winner is Chick-fil-A! If you thought that was a challenge, we know exactly how challenging it is to come up with great content. Just look at this production. At GEM, we have a talented staff that can help build and grow your business, whether it be a restaurant, a law firm, or a school. Contact us today and let us handle your content challenge.
What about you guys? You guys swear there's nothing wrong with it?
No, there's nothing wrong with that one.